Dude, what is this music? Okay. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to another live stream. How are you all doing? How's everybody? I'm doing fine. Personally, I've been working my ass off these days to get shit done. So I am right now, as of now, caffeinated, coffee. Fuck, I don't know. You got me. I drink some coffee and got ready for the stream. I'm trying to like turn on my cooler because right now everything is just about to be in flames. Oh fucking hell! Why is this not turning on? Guys, give me a second. Right now, I'm trying to figure some shit out. Sorry for not taking a look at what you're typing right now. Okay, there you go, guys. Exomio Ferris illegitimate egg. What's up, guys? What's poppin'? What is up? Let me just switch to this camera. Okay. So there was some news. There was some news about this project. Hold on. Let me pull up the chat log. We need the chat log for this. All right. Where's my chat GPT? All right. So you guys know that I've been working on this guitar tuner visualization Ratatouille project, and it's been going all right. It's been going fine. I'm gonna show you the latest state of the fucking breadboard. I mean, yeah, right now it looks like this. It's yeah, I know. So I switched, like yesterday I started using this ESP32 Vroom, and I switched to this bigger display. I'd put that in my gig bag, yeah, and it's working. Actually, it's working. Okay, it is working. Let me show you. Let me just show you real quick. Well, it's you gotta look it from the other side. One sec. Oops. I know it's very dizzy right now, but there you go. All right, it's working, right? I have two buttons. This one is changing the menu or tabs or whatever, and this one is changing the input, so you can either use the microphone or the jack input. And right now it's reading from here, so you plug your guitar in here and it works. Everything works, right? Well, the problem is right now it is connected to USB, and to amplify the signal that is coming from the guitar, I'm using this circuit here, which uses a 9-volt battery. So my idea was to run everything on 9 volts from this little battery. You know, I would just like plug everything to this battery, and everything would work fine. I have this voltage regulator that takes 9 volts and just gives me 3.3 volts, and I just like use that for ESP, and I use that for the display. Well, you see where this is going, right? And you know, this is a linear regulator, so it takes the voltage and just wastes the rest of it. Like it just, you know, turns everything to heat to get 3.3 volts. And this thing is a fire hazard. This thing just heats up, and the voltage that I'm getting from this is not like as a current. It's not enough to drive everything. So let me show you. I think you all just figured it out already, but let me just plug this into 9 volts now, and you see it goes into this dead loop, you know, it's just like dying. So this was working fine with this little fellow over here, this little screen, this display, but with this setup, well, I shouldn't have thrown it. With this setup, it is just dying, and yeah, I don't think this is related to disconnections on my breadboard anymore, because at first I was like, something is loose, you know, something is not connected properly, that's why I'm getting this flickering effect. But even though I just like connect everything nicely and so on, I just get this result. It's really bad. It's really bad. So what is the solution, right? Alright, so guys, I've been chatting with ChatGPT and chatting with some friends about this, and the solution that I landed, I just like did some calculations here, and yeah, let me just show you the calculations. Perhaps it's a switching regulator. Yeah, so there you go. Yeah, ChatGPT is funny sometimes. It literally says that's hot as fuck without a head sink. Thank you. So yeah, the solution is basically to not use a linear regulator, but instead use a buck converter, which is, I guess, more efficient, and you get like more like efficiency from it. You know, the current is more stable or some shit, I don't fucking know. So I ordered one. Wait, where's what was the name again? I think this was the name of the regulator. So yeah, this is my solution for now. I think once I get this thing, this will just gonna be, you know, give me better results, I hope. I'm just hoping that that's the case, but probably will just work fine, because right now I'm literally just using a single chip, like this AMS 1117 for regulating the voltage, and yeah, that's not enough, you know, that's not a good solution. I mean, it works for small stuff, but for driving the display and ESP and the other gazillion stuff, I don't think it's enough. And 9-volt battery is not, yeah, it's not giving me good results. So I ordered this thing basically, and this is what we're gonna experiment with next week. In the meantime, I want to think about the PCB though, because I need to get that thing done pretty soon. I need to order it, you know. If that PCB does not arrive in time, I need to hack something, do a little prototype. So my backup plan, if you know, in case I don't get the PCB done in time, because I don't know if like I have ever said that, but this is going to be presented at a conference. So I have like I have 1 month to finish this up, 4 weeks. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but whatever. So my backup plan, hello Namco, what up? My backup plan is to use one of these things. If I don't get things in time, if there's like more, you know, inconveniences, or like, what do you call it? Unfortunate events, whatever. I'm gonna just use this thing. Just gonna like hack something on this, like put everything on it, solder it, and just put it in a case and stuff like that. So that's my plan B. if I don't get a PCB in time. But yeah, that's that. So today I'll just gonna work on the PCB. Sounds good? Any questions? Anything? I don't know why I'm asking that. Whatever, it's all good, I guess. Oh yeah, I need to refactor the code too. Like it's a mess right now. It's literally a mess. I need to do that at some point. Give me a second. Let me just connect my mouse. Actually, I'm gonna try to use a mouse today because I feel like it. Hello, Nicola. Hello. First, what is that emoji? Is that a cat? Guys, I'm gonna try to connect to my low power Bluetooth device thing. What the hell? Okay, scan on. This is actually gonna work. Chrome M6. I don't think I will be able to connect to this, to be honest, because it's... Yeah, whatever. I don't need a mouse anyways. I just wanted to go a bit fancy today, but it's not gonna work probably. Why am I... Okay, whatever. Whatever. We're not using a mouse today, guys. Fuck it. It's kind of inefficient anyways. So... Let me pull up the repo. What is the preferred way of managing the PCB designs? Should I commit this to the repo? Should I... How should I treat this easy ADA files? Because now I have this like temporary thing. I've seen PCBs in repos before. Okay, good to know. I guess I can do that. So where is this actually saved? Projects, yeah, there you go. It's a JSON file. Literally, what? It's just a JSON file. How big is this? What is info? That's crazy that it's just a JSON file. Okay, I can just commit this if it's a JSON file then. What am I gonna do? Let me just try to... Twitter PCB. I should probably rename this though. Let me JQ this. Yeah. Okay, let me rename the project because now I just realized why is this just a suffix with PCB project title. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna change this. Just gonna close it. Let me go to my repo. PCB. I'm gonna copy the whole thing. Copy this to there you go. Does this thing have any hard-coded paths? No. Okay, let's try to open it now. Okay, file, open. How do I add a new project here actually? Oh, I have an idea. So this is just a symlink, right? I can just create a symlink to that. So wait, what did I do? Oh man. I always mix up the... Yeah, I just fucked up here. My bad, guys. So it's gonna be tweetar. Okay, now you should be able to see that in the interface. Let me do manage project. Is this the one? I don't think this worked. Okay, I'll just open this then. Or maybe not. Oh shit, this is bad. I think that worked. Let me change something. Okay, there you go. Let me change something, save it. Yeah, that worked. It just updated update time. And yeah, just changed some stuff, I don't know. But it seems to be working. Alright, now I can commit the PCB to the repo, guys. That's great. Let me actually do that now. So that you can actually go ahead and open it in easy EDA or whatever program you have. You probably can open it with just, you know, easy EDA, but whatever. It's still a good thing. Where's my... fuck. Alright. Hardware and software world first. Hell yeah. Add PC, add easy EDA files. Press like, by the way, if you're watching. Yeah, thanks for the reminder. Alright, PCB has been added, guys. There you go. Boom. Great. So what do I want to do here today? I have changed some things on the breadboard. First of all, I want to make those updates here. So this circuit, this regulator one, I think this will not be needed soon, because like I said, it didn't work well. It was fine, but it didn't work. So yeah, let me just move stuff around a little bit. Oh my god, why this is so annoying, dude. I'm just gonna move it somewhere. The controls are still so weird for me. I'm gonna move it here maybe for now. What is this? Oh, nope, output. Interesting. Oh, this is the I guess this is the pot. Yeah. Would it be a crime if I had a go at layouting this myself? What do you mean? What do you mean crime? I like the crime part, but I didn't get the rest of what you say. Creating the PCB from the schematic. Well, you can, but this is not final. This is gonna change a lot, so I guess it makes sense to not do that until I make everything work on breadboard and make sure that everything is final, and then I will maybe do the PCB. Today I want to experiment with it a little bit, but I won't do the final thing because I don't know if the regulator stuff will work or not. Why is this red, by the way? So I'll do the changes. I think I will first of all I'll need this either way, right? It's fine. Let me pull up the code. I changed the ESP, so I'm gonna just change that to the proper one. So this one is ESP W room 32. Right. Let me just add that. It is, yeah, this one, but why is it showing the chip actually? This is not what I want. I need this representation. This is the chip itself. How am I gonna do that though? Oh, what is this? S2, not S2. Oh man. These are all like the chip itself. What do I have exactly? Okay, this is bad. I don't like this. Oh, this looks like what I have. Okay, there you go. Good. Let me make sure that this is the correct pin out actually. Nope. It doesn't look like what I have. Damn it. I need one of these things, I guess. Okay, ground, it looks kind of similar, but not really. What is this? It's the same. Yeah, I have the dev board, exactly, so dev board. Dev board. I have 32. Is this the dev board? No, this is the actual chip. Wait a minute. This library is user contributed. Please check. It's kind of too small, isn't it? What is the footprint for this? Is this correct? I mean, this is the same, I guess. And to turn it around like this. Not really, actually. This is still different. Dude, how am I gonna find the correct component then? Like, this is so annoying. What does it say on the dev board? What do you mean, where? You can probably find it from that. What do you mean? Do you mean on the physical thing, or the one in it literally says ESP32 room 32. That's all. That's all that it says, man. There's some numbers. ESP32 32. 211 16 211 1600 20. This is what it says. What is the name of this board? Wait, can I just find it from this? Oh shit. Is that correct? Wait. No, this is... $34. It's actually correct. I need to turn it around like this. No, actually. So 5 volts CND. What is CND? Vemos D1 mini. No, this is like entirely different. No worries. I think this is the most like, this is the closest thing that I can find. And this is what I have. Alright, this is I think This is alright. I can work with this. Let me just check again. So 38. Here it says that this is like 23. So 23 is here. So it's a bit like reverse. How can I actually turn, like, rotate this, or like mirror this? Because now it's a bit confusing looking at the pinout here. So 5 volts is here, 13 ground. The orientation of the schematic symbols shouldn't matter. Yeah, but I want this to be the same with this, so that I can see it better. But I guess that's fine. Maybe there's a way. Easy, add a mirror component. It's not on the PCB though. Rotate and flip. Okay, view, no, design, tools, place, edit. Okay, there we go. Format, flip. Oh, that worked. So 5 volts. Alright, we're in business, guys. We're in business. It's the same as this image now. That's great. You might be asking why that's important. It's totally not important. I just wanted to make it same orientation or whatever. Okay, so next thing, I'm basically gonna go ahead and give all this code to ChatGPT. I'm working on a schematic for ESP32 room 32 or something. Here is my code. Tell me which pins I need to connect. Table format. Oh shit, I forgot to add the display. Okay, I need to find the display too. So the display is this one. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find this, but let's try. My headphones just died. Give me a second. Oh, we have some results. Yeah, SD7735. I think that one was the chip, so that seems correct. Seems correct. One point 1.7. This has 12 connections. I have only 8. That's not the component that I'm looking for. I need something with 8 connections. This looks like this has 14. All right, there you go. I like this. This is correct. So let me rotate this. I think mostly I was using the right side, so it should just be fine to connect here. Display buttons, mic input, jack input, and pot. Alright. First of all, let me connect the 3.3 and ground. Just connect, man, what the fuck? For some reason that was difficult. Okay, that's connected. Let's add the ground. So where do I actually connect this? Let me check. The ground is here, so I just connected here basically. Oh my god. Okay. I should just connect from the ESP pin to... what the hell? From here to here. Okay, there you go. So that's connected. That's cool. The other stuff. Let's connect the display. SPI clock. $14. I think I need to flip this. All right. The ground. First of all, let's connect the ground. It's gonna be 3.3 volts. No resistors or anything, I guess. By the way, if you hear the fan noise, just let me know. I have the fan running right now. Oh my god, I look like a goofball with this thing on my ear. Just I look so weird. So if you hear the fan, just let me know. I can turn it off, but it's really hot today. Actually, it's not that hot, but it's been generally very hot for the past week, so I am trying to survive with the fan. So VCC. SCK. SCK. GPIO 14. No, I should probably connect from here to here. Oh, come on. I don't like this wiring. There you go. 14 SDA. 13. There's 13. It's a bit bad. It's actually quite bad. Let me actually verify this on the breadboard. Which one is it again? The third one? Should be just next to it. I'm a bit confused. No? Wait a minute. Oh shit, this is not the same pins actually. Oh shit. It should go like VCC, ground, CS. Alright, I should have checked this before connecting these three. Alright, apparently this is the wrong component, fuck. Okay, I need to find the correct one now. Wait. So maybe this is the one, VCC ground, CS reset, AO0, SDA, yeah, this looks like what I want. It's not the same size. Oh, it's the same size too. Okay, this is what I want exactly. Alright, this is exactly what I want. That's cool. So, VCC, let's just connect them. Ground. CS, where does this connect to? 25. So it should be here. All right, reset 33. Yeah, I can confirm this on breadboard too. AO0. BC 27. There you go. It's gonna be a bit problematic while drawing the... Oh, it's gonna be fine, I guess. Never mind. SDA. (13). 13 or 14 actually. 13. It's a bit down here. No, it's getting messy. SCK. $14. I wonder if it would be better if I just flip this. Let me try. Nope. And LED. I'm just directly connecting that to 3.3 actually. No resistors, no nothing. So just VCC. Okay, there you go, that's the connection. Can I move this a little bit here maybe? I'm not super happy with how this looks, but I guess it's fine. Should just stop caring about how this looks and just focus on whether this will actually work or not. But yeah, okay, that's all the connections. That's all the connections for the display. Moving on. So I need some switches. So I need to find a button. Do we have a button here? Do we have a button? Let's search for button, I guess. Switch. What's the footprint of this? I think I can just use like just the connector for this, because the button will be just gonna be connected to, or maybe I can use the switch one. So what do I do? GPIO 22 and 21. It should be here. And these are just connected to the pins and to ground. So something like this. And we just get ground here. Alright, that's connected. So mic input GPIO 32. 32, where's 32? Here, so that should be next to that. Yeah, okay, 32. I already have this connection. So mic input. Just gonna copy that. $32. Oh man, why is it not working? There you go. 32 mic input, 36 jack input. So 36 is here, or where is it? 36 is the third pin. I don't know why it's not saying it, but SVP, that says SVP. I guess that's fine. Yes. Okay, just gonna connect it to there. I don't know what SVP is actually. Should probably call this mic input, not output. I'm gonna change that later. There we go. So GPU 39. Is just next to 36, so it's gonna be here. Right, there you go. What else do I need? I guess that's all. Let me ask this to ChatGPT. So SVP, SVN. I realized I'm connecting stuff to SVP and S. And is that safe? What are those? I didn't freeze, I was just drinking water and just waiting for this. Okay, it's not working. ChatGPT is not working, guys. I have no idea why. So now I can remove this other T display one, I guess, because we no longer use that. Let me change these to input. Or maybe, yeah, I mean it's output. So I guess we can call them out. Yeah, let me just call them out. Just call them out, man. Okay, there you go. I need to add a add a switch to this. I need oh my god. Oh my god, just come on. Alright, let me just move this. Fuck. Are you fucking kidding me? I just want to like move this little part of... Yeah, there you go. I'm just gonna move it here. This is the LED. So I want to add a switch, like I said. How do I find that switch? Toggle switch, actually. I can just use the same button that I have, but that's like push, right? I need to toggle one. Toggle switch. Slide. These are so complicated. I think I can just add like a 3-pin connector. Oh, we have this thing. What is this? Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Is this like different sizes? The prefix VG5. We have 4, 2, so that's 4. Never mind, I'm just gonna use this one. So 9 volts. I want to add a switch to that, basically. So it will look something like this. I guess this is good. This is the LED. I can probably add the LED to the setup. Well, I don't want to just burn it with 9 volts. Never mind. This is the amplifier. This microphone, let me just move it up there. Do we actually have max 4466? As a, module. User contributed. With 3D model. Okay, that's cool. You can just use this one. I think this is better. I'm gonna flip it vertically. I need to see the 3D model though. I hope it's correct. I don't like this wire. There you go. I'm still struggling to just move around, as you can tell. Like, I need to press Control to scroll up. That's a bit weird. Should probably change the key bindings of this thing if possible. Alright, let's convert this to PCB. Yeah, let me just check the nuts. So ground is not connected here. What? It should be connected. What the hell? There you go. Jack out. This is not connected. That's so weird. Oh, I need to connect to... Damn. I need to connect to the... You know, to here. So these are not connected to... What the fuck? Okay, let me just to be safe, let me just connect everything directly to this huge rectangle. Just to be safe. Alright, let me run this again. Mic out is not connected. Yeah, I forgot that one. Alright, run it again. It's now complaining about the empty pins, that's fine. Alright, create a PCB. No footprint, please associate the footprint first. That's fucked. I guess. Did that work? The board. Dev kit PCB. Did that work? I don't know. Update footprint. Okay, maybe now that's fine. The symbol pin numbers of the component does not match the associated footprint pad numbers. Please modify the symbol pin numbers or reassociate the footprint. God damn it. How do I even do that? There are like a bunch of dev kits PCBs. I think I trust this one. Let me edit it actually. I mean, that's that. I mean, that should be fine. All right, what did I do? What happened? Let me just use one of them, dude. Just use this one. Do it again. Okay, that kind of, no. So I have 35 pins, or how many pins do I actually have here? One, two, three, four, five, 19. So 38 pins. I need 38. I mean, these are all just 38. So what's the problem? Okay, I updated the footprint now to something. Let's see if it worked. Bro, what the fuck? What was the error again? The symbol pin numbers. You have to select the part in the schematic, then click on right hand panel. This opens the footprint manager. In there you can edit the pin names or numbers of the schematic symbol to match those of the PCB footprint that's assigned to it. Interesting. So how do I do that? Your symbol pin number doesn't match the footprint pad number. Guys, any idea? Like, what am I supposed to do here? Oh, pin number, you mean I need to... I need to do it like this? Oh, okay. Interesting. Interesting. That's 19. I'm not sure if this is actually correct. So what was this before? What did I just change? Was it like 3.3? Yeah, 3.3. I think this is 1. Pin name 19. Damn, dude, this is hard. I'm not sure if this is a correct representation because it looks more wide than the board that I have. Let me actually pull up the ESP32 T display again. I'm just curious about this footprint stuff. Oh, it's just connected directly. So 5 volts. Just goes 1 by 1. So ground is... Why is this window so small, by the way? I need to assign the pin number to names, dude. So okay, I have the data sheet and everything, so should be easy, right? So pin name 3.3, that's this one. If this board is like upside down, then it should be what? Are you looking at this from top or bottom? That's another question that I have. If it is looking at it from the top, then 3.3 should be first one. I guess. Oh man, do I need to connect everything like this? Oh my god. That's horrible. Or maybe I can just like do this. I'm not sure if this is gonna be correct though. So TX 35. Is it actually the 35? Where's TX? So here. 35. I'm just YOLOing it, guys. I don't think this will work though. Should probably just find a correct component with the correct footprint or something. Okay, there you go, everything is connected. Wait, I didn't fucking save it. Oh my god. I think this is not correct though, like 3.3, it's not 19, it's not here, you know. Oh man, I just need to find the correct component. Yeah, I think this is all right. Does this thing have a footprint too? Yeah, looks fine. Okay, I'm just gonna use this one then. Interesting. Oh wow. Okay, this is huge, but I think I can use it. Basically need to move these stuff a bit. Can I resize this? There you go. Alright, just create a PCB now. Please. Yeah, maybe check the nets. Oh yeah, this is not used. Let me just remove that. It's fine, just create the PCB. Um, 3D. Oh, the microphone looks very cute. I like that. The switch is also nice. Look at the switch. I wonder what these are actually. So those are probably no, 9 volts. Yeah, that's the battery. The other one is the jack input, I think. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit painful to actually put everything in this PCB, but we're gonna make it happen. One thing that I want to change here is that this this regulator is now no longer going to be used, I think. Instead of that, what was the name of the thing that I bought? Okay, what was the name again? Yeah, I bought this one, I think. I don't know how to use it, by the way. I just bought it, but let's see. There, it should be simple though. Data sheet. I think this is just showing the component. I need the module. Okay, cool. That's exactly what I wanted to see. So input. It's just two inputs and output. That's all. I like it. Same thing that I bought, right? There's input and output. Wow, that's very simple. Okay, I can probably find that exact module here. Three-pin SIP module now. Yeah, exactly. This is what I want. Also search for 3D models. That's pretty cool. This guy put a lot of effort into the thing. So instead of this complicated setup, I think what I will have is basically nine volts in. I need to connect both of them actually. Anyways, 9 volts in. And out will be again ground. And VCC, I guess. And I can probably delete this. I don't want to delete this because I put so much effort into it, but fuck. Actually not that much, but you know, it was still some effort. Oh man. Can I just select this, please? Without selecting everything. Okay. Can I disable this without deleting it? Easy edit disable without deleting or something. Oh, hide component. That's why we need a tree for this, man. I don't like menus like that, like this one. Just like suffer to find something. Anyways, I think I will just delete it. I have committed this. Anyways, I can just go back to the older version if something happens. All right. Let me give this to ChatGPT and ask what it thinks about it. Can I export this as a JPEG? Export PNG. Export. Alright, let's try to upload it here. What you think? Can you verify this? Yeah, man, it's fire, dude. Let me drink water. What do you guys think about this? Common ground shared is 32, yeah. Or 5, no value shown. Oh, it's typical LED. Okay, I need to add a value to that then. 330 ohms. Okay, let's do that. 330. I mean 1K, then just use 1K. Proper power and ground. No filter cap shown. Okay, maybe I can add a capacitor later. What happened to the music? Let me play something for you guys. Jack wire through one UF AC coupling capacitor and passive bias network. Output goes through a buffer. Nice touch. Diode, nice touch, bro. And a series resistor 1K between op amp output and ESP32. Jack out just for safety. Interesting. No series resistor optional. TFT display. .3 volt logic. Buttons. Final tips. Analog input, add series resistors for safety. Display. Consider current limit resistor, backlight. Buttons. Add caps for debounce. Power supply, confirm MP 1584 output is 3.3 volts. It's valid. Want to see a pin summary chart based on exact schematic? Yes. Now the only thing that I need to do is just get the MP 1584 converter, hook it up to the circuit, and then try it out, see if everything is working, and then I can just design the PCB and just send it to get it printed. And yeah. All right. I want to take a look at the PCB again. Please log in first. So this was the one that I designed last week. Starts with, okay, I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. I'll try to get something going quickly just to get a feel of how this will go. So first of all, I want to do things on the bottom layer, right? What I have in mind is that I will simply place two pots like this. Right. Let's imagine our PCB like this is just, let's imagine that this is smaller, right? Man, this is so so weird. Like, just like a free form resize. Anyways, I'm gonna like these things will just gonna be here because I want to like I want them to look towards me so that I can just like have two pots like nipples, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. I'm just gonna say it, like nipples. I just want two nipples just facing towards me so that I can just like, you know, rotate them. This live stream is getting so sus, dude. Anyways, nobody's watching, so it's all good. It's all good. It's just me. I'm alone. I see no reactions in the chat, so nobody's watching. That's great. Alright, so that's that. I want to place... Oh man, it's gonna get complicated really quickly. Fuck. I want the screen to be placed like this somewhere. Like this, maybe. What are these SV things? SV1, what is SV? Am I blind or something? Oh, that's the switch. Those are switches, okay. So for the switches, I also want them to look towards this way. Maybe no. Interesting. So I'll have two knobs. I don't know, maybe I can place them somewhere else. I want the screen to be here, this to be here, and there's another switch. So this is like on off, right? I'm gonna place it there. 9 volts. I'm gonna place this here. Where's the LED? This to be here somewhere. Of course, this is not gonna be a square board. It will have that here. For the where's the jack input actually? Where's that? C1, J1. So this is J1. I want this to be maybe here. Yeah, something like this basically. Let me save this. Of course, smaller. Can I just use AI to help me here? Like, just drawing everything by hand seems a bit painful. but whatever. Basically something like this is what I want. 3D. Yeah. Okay. Let me see if this is actually saved. Yeah, the PCB has changed, so... How can I rename this PCB file? Can I copy this into this? Because I have two PCBs now. Like this is the old one. Alright, my internet died, but I should be back now. Maybe the next stream I can just work on the code a little bit and just refactor it and so on. While I'm waiting for the buck converter to arrive and you know, test stuff. But yeah, we have a bunch of things going on here, which is exciting. And we're gonna see how this will go, basically. Alright, I'm gonna close this up. I need to save this pin out to the repo, actually. Right, once again, if you're interested in this project, you can take a look at this repo. It's not finished by any means. I'm still working on it actively, very actively, spending so much time and energy, which is great. So yeah, I wanted to check the repo because I have some issues there. Server communication. I don't think I'll be able to get to that point. Add tracking mode, design a case. I just remembered something else. Let me create an issue, design a logo. We need kick-ass branding. Support jack input. This is done, I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this. Polish the embedded UI. This is still open. Tracking mode, server communication. First, what is that? A cat out of the box? Is that a dog? That looks like a... That's a cat, I guess. I don't know. I cannot see. My eyes are tired. Design and print PCB. Also things to do. Power ESP from 9 volts. That's done. Add another switch for switching to mic input instead of jack. That's done. Add an additional port for fun. That's also done. Great. But I haven't print any PCB yet. Tracking mode. Alright, what else do I need to do here? I mean, once I get the PCB and once I get everything working, I can just put everything in a case, get a logo, get a sticker, put everything together, and just grind on the software, man. Just, you know, like work on the software. Because for now, I don't think. Yeah, I'm still in the electronics and PCB realm, guys. Just give me some time, okay? I need some time before I can do the actual boring stuff. Alright, why is this failing? Clippy. Well, I need to factor the code anyway, so... Oh, rotative fretboard, I can fix that real quick. It just recommends this. Sure, Clippy, lint, apply Clippy suggestions. Alright, I just realized, or I just remembered, extended test cases. I need to extend the test cases for rotative fretboard. Extend the test cases for rotative fretboard. This is also semi-broken, and the render implementation should be fixed accordingly to the tests. Also, the remaining of that file contains some test cases which are commented out. Alright, anyone wants to help with this? This is a good first issue. Design a logo. Let me just put a help wanted. There you go. No, man, I need to fix many things. I'm thinking what else to do, but yeah, I think that's enough. Would you guys buy this if this was sold as a set? Like, not a set, sorry, as a kit, like a electronics kit? Would you buy it? Alright, I think I'm done. This was wild. Get hydrated. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one, alright? Join the Discord, follow me, whatever, sponsor. Keep grinding, alright? Take care. Thank you. Ferris, love you, man. Bye. Keep grinding, yo.